Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Pururam. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
आम्ही कसिनोज पळय मांडवी नदयेन आहा ते भायर काडूंक आमी फाटी सोदची ना आनी जाता तितलें कोत्तली. आमी कोर्टान गेल्या, आमी सरकाराक ऑलरेडी सांगलां अँड आयज आमी गव्हर्नराक लेटर बरयला कित्याक एज द गव्हर्नर ऑफ गोवा ही इज द गार्डियन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन and he has to ensure that the constitution is being followed and the law is being followed. So we have reached his office today. We have written 2 letters. One is a cover letter and one is a detailed letter which details the history and details how successive governments including this government is allowing the casinos to be illegally in the Mandovi, which is a river, while they are supposed to be offshore. So आयज सो आमचो गव्हर्नराक आमी डिटेल हें नोट बरयला आनी वी हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड हिम दॅट ही शूड लॉन्च अ इंडिपेंडंट इन्क्वायरी इंटू हाव अ क्विड प्रो को हॅज बीन allowed to happen with regards to keeping the rivers in the Mandovi. आनी आमी ताका मागलां की हें इन्क्वायरी करून हेजेर तेणें दखल घेवचें आनी हे कसिनोज मांडोवींतले काडूंक लायचे म्हणून.